Alright guys, here we are. It is 10:13. I got about 16 minutes before the show ends. And as you can see, most of the guests are starting to filter out. It was a good time, as you saw, did I? I got them dancing. That was my job. Unfortunately, it wasn't a longer show. It is a Friday night. You know, I'm not throwing any excuses at it. It is what it is, you know. Sometimes you can get them, sometimes you don't. The basic piece is get them. That's all. Just get them as long as you can. If it's only a 3-hour show, you've done your job. 3 hours of great dancing. I enjoyed myself. So they might come back out. Before I wrap up this video, I'm going to see if I can get some more people out here in the next couple songs. So we'll see what happens. But I love this setup. I want you guys to see this. I love this.